Bonjour, chers étudiants, c'est Monsieur Elie, votre professeur de français. Bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube où nous rendons français très facile pour votre apprentissage. What's up, dear students? Welcome on my YouTube channel. This is Mr. Elie, your French teacher. Welcome on my YouTube channel where we make French learning quite easy. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and press the notification button to not miss any upcoming video. Well, I think last time we talked about numbers, les nombres cardinaux, right? Cardinal numbers. We learned till 60. Of course, we are going to continue till much more, but we are going to stop there for now and introduce a new topic. Today, we are going to talk about definite article, definite articles, les articles définis. Les articles définis, right? Definite article. Sometimes when I'm teaching people, when I ask them what are the definite articles in English, most of the students don't know what are the definite article or what is a definite article, right? So I'm going to take you from English to French for this study to be much more easier. Because if I start directly in French, of course, it will be easy, but a bit complicated if you don't know what we are talking about. So here in English, you only have one definite article. Can you guess what is that? Yes, exactly. It is the T-H-E. So in English, you have only one definite article, which is the. So when do you use the definite article of the to talk about something precise, to talk about something which is definite, something that you are sure of, something you know surely that, for example, if I give you an example of Eiffel Tower, right? You will say, this is the Eiffel Tower. This is the Eiffel Tower. You won't say, this is a Eiffel Tower, because you are pretty much sure that this is the unique Eiffel Tower, right? It is only one in the world, even though when we have copies all around the world, but the unique one stands out from all the copies, right? The moment you see the image, the picture, you know this is the Eiffel Tower, right? Great. So exactly the Taj Mahal. So when you see the image of the Taj Mahal, you don't say, oh, this is a Taj Mahal, this is a Taj Mahal. No, you can't say this is a Taj Mahal. You say this is the Taj Mahal, because there's only one Taj Mahal in the world, right? It's unique, definite, right? So this is, though it is something you have to understand before we start it in French. Very easy, quite easy. So here is the thing. There is only one definite article in English, which is the. So just like I said, you use it to talk about something peculiar, something which is specific, something which is definite, right? Well, guess what? In French, we have how many? Yeah, 4 definite articles. En français, nous avons 4 articles définis. Le, la, les et l'apostrophe. Let's go a bit slowly for you guys to understand. In French, we have 4 definite articles, which are what? Le, say with me, le. The second one will be la. The third one will be les. And of course, the last one, the fourth one, which is L apostrophe. So L with apostrophe. I'm going to explain that. So before we move any further, I want you to get this in mind. All of these, le, la, les, L apostrophe, have only one translation in English, which is the. If you didn't understand what I said, I meant to say the definite article le in French is translated as what? The in English. The definite article la in French is translated as de in English. The definite article les in French is translated as what? De in English. And finally, the definite article L'apostrophe, which is a L'apostrophe, is translated as what? De in English. Now, wait a minute, you will say, how come all of this means de? It's confusing. Of course, it's confusing because you don't speak French, tu ne parles pas français. Moi, je parle français, alors ça ne me confond pas, ça ne me confond pas. It's not confused for me. So I'm going to try to explain to you in a very simple way how to use it. So now that we know what are the different articles in French, let's learn how to use them, right? When to use le, which means de, when to use la, which means de, when to use le, which means de, and finally, when to use l'apostrophe, which means what? De. We cannot use anyone anyhow. It has to obey certain rules. Great. So now we are starting the usage of the definite articles. So how to use the definite articles. Now let's get to the good point. Here are the good points. Le, L-E, le, will only be used before, or it will precede a word which is what? Masculine, singular. Again, I repeat, le will only precede a word which is masculine, singular, in the sense le is always masculine. Clear? I know you're having questions in your mind. Masculine, what is that? Cool down. I'll explain everything slowly. Next one, la, L-A, la. La will precede a word or a noun, if you want, which is a feminine singular. La will precede a word or a noun, which is what? Feminine singular. In a sense, la is a feminine. Next one, le. So le will precede a word or a noun, which is, or both of the words or noun, which are what? Masculine and feminine plural. So you will use le for both masculine and feminine plural nouns. Is it clear? Le will be plural. And then the last one, which is l'apostrophe, will be used for both words or noun, which is what? Masculine or feminine, singular, but beginning with a vowel or a mute H, let's say silent H. Again, I repeat, l'apostrophe will be used for both of word, which is what? Feminine or masculine, but beginning with a vowel or H. One more time, we will use l'apostrophe for both masculine singular and feminine singular noun or words beginning with a vowel or a mute H. That's it. Over. C'est fini. C'est tout. C'est fini. Oh, wait a minute. I know that you are trying to, what about the masculine singular, masculine plural? How do I know if a word is masculine or if a word is a feminine, or if a word is a masculine singular, or if a word is a masculine plural? How do I know if a word is a feminine singular or if a word is a masculine plural or feminine plural? It is quite simple. I think I've already thought on this. So I'm going to write it. I'm going to put it there on your screen. I think by now you should see it there. Just click on the link, click on it, and watch it. You will know how to identify a word, a masculine noun, or a feminine noun, or a plural noun, or a singular noun, or masculine singular, or masculine plural, feminine singular, or feminine plural. Quite easy. C'est très simple. Now, let's have some examples here. Let's say in class, your teacher gives you few words and say, fill in the blanks with definite articles. Donc, remplissez les blancs avec l'article défini ou les articles définis. On dit, point, 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 chaise. Point, 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 chaise. What is chaise? A chair. So you have to say the chair, right? Which the are you going to use? Is it le, is it la, or is it le, or is it L apostrophe? One thing you want to do is what to check the word chaise. Is that word masculine singular or masculine plural, feminine singular or feminine plural? See the word. It is having E at the end. You always have to go with the rule. So because I know the rule, I will say chaise is masculine, is a feminine singular. Therefore, I'm going to use a la. La chaise, the chair. Let's try again. This time they give you dash, point, 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 chaise with S at the end. C-H-A-I-S-E-S. Chaise. Fill in the blanks with definite article. Say the chairs, right? So here, on va dire les, L-E-S, les chaises. Pourquoi? Why? Because chair here, chairs has a S at the end, which is plural. So I'm going to use the plural one, which is what? Les chaises. Okay, let's say I give you this word. Stylo. Point, 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 dash, stylo. S-T-Y-L-O. Now you can see that on your screen. Stylo, which means what? Pen, pen. So I want to say the pen. Is it la, le, les, l'apostrophe? It is le stylo. Le stylo. The pen. Why? Because stylo here ends with O, which O does not fit in the rule which I gave you. So O here is masculine because this word here does not end with the E-O-N or I-O-N. Therefore, it is masculine. Le. Let's say I give you dash H-O-M-M-E. And I say, fill in the blanks there with water. Definite article. Will it be le, la, le, l'apostrophe? It is L apostrophe, right? L apostrophe, on va dire l'homme. L'homme. Why? Because the word here, which means man, begins with H. H is a silent H here. And here, it is not plural, it's singular. There's no S at the end. And you're going to say, but there's E at the end. Yeah, there is E at the end. But is what? Means man. Man is always masculine, right? So we say we use L apostrophe for masculine singular noun or feminine singular noun beginning with the vowel or H, right? So this one, homme, l'homme, the man. Très simple, très facile. Alors, si vous avez des questions, laissez des commentaires et je vais vous répondre. If you have questions, please leave your comment below there and I will answer to you. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and share the link with somebody. And don't forget to press the notification button to not miss any upcoming video. Until then, stay safe and see you again. Au revoir.